Hello.
Hello, Kai.
Hello, Anne. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, that's great. Now, are you ready? Okay, so let's start our lesson. Okay, so now, Anne, we are on lesson 4, numbers. Okay, so this is math. So we are going to talk about numbers. Okay, but first, let's watch a video first.
Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Look!
12,
It's Jeremy and
13.
Julian. What are they doing? They're playing with their family. What are they playing? They're playing at home. It's a big house. Julian and Jeremy are in the living room. There's a sofa, a chair, and a TV. Dad and grandfather are in the sitting room. They are reading the newspaper. There's a table and 2 chairs. Grandma is in the kitchen. She's cooking. There's an oven and a microwave. Dad is behind the house. It's messy. There are lots and lots of toys. Look! It's Gerald. His bike is next to the table. Gerald likes his bike. Look! It's all of the family. What are they doing? They're eating. How many people are in your family?
Okay. Right. So how many people are in your family, Anne?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 13, 14, 5,
50.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Okay, wait for a while. Not
13,
15. This is
35, 15,
40. Okay?
16,
30, 40, 50. Not 15.
16, 17, 18, 19,
70.
100,
Okay. So
100,
Anne, you need to listen to teacher, okay? This is 30, not 13. 30,
13,
40. No,
14,
no. Not 10. This is 13. This is
13.
30. 30.
Ah, ah,
Okay. 30, 40.
14,
No, not 4. This is 14. This is
14,
40. 40.
40,
Okay. 50.
50,
60.
16,
No, not 16. This is 16. This is 60.
16,
No, this is 16. This is 60.
16,
70.
17,
Okay, 70. This is 17. This is 70. Okay, 80. 90. Okay, so Okay, so what is this?
0,
This
1,
one?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No, this
8,
one.
9,
Listen to
10,
teacher. This is, what number is this?
13,
13. This one.
13, 14.
This one. What number is this?
15,
This one. How about this one? What number is this? 16. This one. What number is this? 17. Okay. Okay, so now let's go to letter C. So letter C, listen, ask, and answer, then practice. Okay, so listen first.
Page
5, 6,
58.
7,
C.
8, 9,
Listen,
Okay,
ask,
listen
and answer.
10.
Then practice.
How many pencils are there?
There are 24 pencils. 1,
How many pencils are there? There are 24 pencils.
2,
How many markers are there? There are 18 markers.
3,
How many crayons are there? There are 64 crayons.
4,
How many cards are there? There are 52 cards.
Okay, so now let's practice. Let's start with number 1. Okay, so this is the example. Number 1, and how many pencils are there? Okay, how many pencils are there? There are how many pencils are there?
13.
Okay, there are
There are 13,
no 24
24
pencils.
pencils.
Okay, again. Okay, again. Listen to teacher. How many
Okay.
pencils are there?
Oh, Dad, one.
How many pencils are there?
Yapping in the phone.
There are 24 pencils. Okay, follow teacher Ann. There are 24 pencils. Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Okay, follow teacher. There are 24 pencils.
Yeah, I'm with the papa.
Okay, number 2. How many markers are there? There are there are 18 markers. Okay, follow teacher. Number 2. There are 18 markers. Follow teacher Ann. Okay, number 2. How many markers are there? There are 18 markers.
Yeah, papa.
Okay. Okay, and I want you to listen, okay? You need to listen and follow teacher. Number 2, there are 18 markers. Okay, follow teacher. There are 18 markers.
There are 15 markers.
18. Look at the number. 18.
18, 18, 18,
Okay, number 3. Look at this. How many crayons are there? There are
There are 16,
64
64
crayons.
crayons.
Okay, again.
No
There,
answer.
okay, there are 64 crayons.
It's not daddy.
Okay, number 4. How many cards are there? How many cards are there? There are 52 cards.
There are 56 car.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, so now and let's count and write. Okay, so then listen and check. Okay, so first we are going to count first. Okay, so the red pencils, there are 8. So let's count the blue pencils. Okay, 1. Okay, okay, stop doing that. Okay, stop writing. Okay, so let's count the blue pencil. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's put 16. What did you do to me? That's so cool. Okay, here's such a
That.
Okay, so now let's count the yellow pencils. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. I hope we did not miss. This is 9. Okay, so now okay. So now and you're so silly. Okay, so now let's add. Okay, so let's add. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. So 8 plus 16 plus 9 equals to 33. Okay. So now, and let's go to number 2. Number 2, and let's count the pink books. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4,
Okay, okay, 4. Okay, how about the orange books? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 also.
1, 2,
Okay, so now let's count the. Oh no! That's for one. Okay, there's the other step. Okay, so let's count the pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay,
tôi mất tiện chính đứng trên
let's count again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there's 10 pink books. Okay, so let's count the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 orange books. Now let's count the green books. 1,
Uh,
2, 3, 4,
3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
6,
8, 9,
4,
10, 11.
11.
There are 11 green books. Okay, so now let's add. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay, and 17 plus 11 is 38. Okay.
What the?
So let's see. Let's check if we
Bye
are
bye.
correct.
Beep, 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 beep. Bye 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 bye. Ô mẹ chỉ đi
Page
Hà đâu rồi?
59. D. Count and write.
Three.
Then listen and check. 1,
How many red pencils are there?
There are 8 red pencils.
How many blue pencils are there?
There are 16 blue pencils.
How many yellow pencils are there?
There are 9 yellow pencils.
How many pencils are there?
8 plus 16 plus 9 equals 33. There are 33 pencils.
2,
How many pink books are there? There are 10 pink books. How many orange books are there? There are 7 orange books. How many green books are there? There are 11 green books. How many books are there? 10 plus 7 plus 11 equals 28. There are 28 books.
Oh, it's 28, not 38. Okay. Okay, so how many pencils are there? And there are, okay, follow teacher. There are 33 pencils. Okay, follow teacher. There are 33 pencils. Okay, and number 2, how many books are there? There are 28 books. Okay, follow teacher Anne. There are 28 books. Okay. All right, so now let's have a checkup. Okay, so let's have checkup 3. Okay, so let's review units 5 and 6. Okay, so listen and circle. So I want you to listen and circle the correct picture. Okay, so let's start with number 1.
page 60. Check up 3. A. Listen and circle. 1,
Sing.
Okay, so number 1 is sing. Okay, so now circle. Circle number 1, sing. Which is the correct picture? Number 1. Okay, number 1 and circle, sing. Circle, sing. Number 1, circle, sing. Sing. Okay, number 1, circle, sing. 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 Very good. Okay, good job.
2, sofa.
Okay, 2, sofa. Circle the sofa. Very good.
3,
Watch TV.
Watch TV. Very good.
4, 50.
50. Okay, 50. Very good. Okay.
5,
Sleep.
Sleep. Where is sleep? Where sleep? Number 5, sleep. Okay, good job. Next
6,
one,
kitchen.
kitchen. Where is the kitchen?
Teacher.
Okay, very good and perfect. Okay. So now let's go to letter B. Okay, so letter B, what are they doing? So you're going to check the correct box. Okay, so let's start with number 1.
Boy.
Okay, what are they doing?
If they
Okay, they're eating. Okay, so look at this ad. So you are going to check the correct box. Okay, look at this. So this one. Okay, look at this ad. Okay, so number 1, they are eating. Okay, so we are going to check the box like this. Okay, number 2, are there 3 tables in the bathroom? Look at the picture. Are there 3 tables in the bathroom? Where are you? Okay, so are there 3 tables in the bathroom, Anne? Okay, so are there 3 tables in the bathroom? Okay, so stop doing that, Anne, okay? Listen to teacher, pay attention. Okay, number 2, are there 3 tables in the bathroom? So there, okay, so no, there aren't. So there are only 2. Okay, so number 3, okay, is he listening to music? Look at the picture, and is he listening to music? Number 3, is he listening to music? Yes, he is.
yes, he is.
Okay, number 4, what's he doing? What's he doing? He's reading. Okay. Okay, so stop doing that and okay, so I will disable your pen. Okay, so now let's have phonics bonus. Okay, so listen, point, and say. So now let's listen first.
Page 62. Phonics bonus. A. Listen, point, and say.
SH. Sh. Sheep. Shell. CH. Ch. Chair. Chin. TH. Th. 3. Think. WH. Whale. Wheel. PH. Phone. Photo.
Okay, where are you? Uh, oh, so there you are. Okay, so now follow teacher. Okay, S H S H
S I
sh sh ship ship shell. Okay, C H C H. Okay, follow teacher Ann. C H. Hello. Follow teacher. C H. C H. Ch ch ch. Chair. Chair. Chin. Okay. Next. T H. T H. Okay, so the sound of TH. T, 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 t. Three. Three. Follow teacher Ann. Pink. Pink. Okay. W H.
W S
W. W. Whale.
Wow.
Okay, whale.
Wow.
Wheel. Wheel. Wheel.
Wow.
Okay, next. P H.
iPhone.
Phone.
One iPhone.
Photo.
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 Okay, so now look at this one. Okay, so
iPhone.
let's get to letter C. Okay, so letter C, follow teacher. The ship is on the chair.
Yeah. The
The,
heat. The heat is on the shelf.
okay, very good. The whale has a wheel. The whale has a wheel. Okay, next. There are three phones. There are three phones. Okay. All right, and our time is over. So let's continue this one next time. Okay. So goodbye for now and thank you.
Goodbye.